The latest visuals right now coming in, that's the Prime Minister's cavalcade that has pulled in at the crash site. You can see the visuals there. Prime Minister Modi landed just about 30 minutes ago. He's assessing the ground situation at the crash site first. Later on, we've been given to believe that he's going to come to the civil hospital as well. The Civil Aviation Minister, along with Prime Minister Modi, this is a time, viewers, where this grey morning, we can confirm 265 people have died, 241 who were on board the ill-fated Indian Airlines Air India 171 London-bound have been confirmed dead, while those students, MBBS undergraduate students at the hostel, the crash site, out of which the rest of the 265 come in from that count. These visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi, very short while from now, we're going to get you the details filtering in, where the Prime Minister alongside the Civil Aviation Minister taking stock of the situation. We've also been given to understand that forensic teams are also right now assessing the situation. The debris has been scattered over 500 to 600 meters, viewers. The Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, the team also there, forensics are being collected. The black box, which was at the tail end assembly of the aircraft, is going to be crucial in identifying what really happened that led to both engines of the Dreamliner collapsing and giving up as the plane was taking off, and the aerodynamics of the plane completely stalled. I want to cut across right now to my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, who's joining us from the crash site at the BJ Medical Hostel. The mess and the hostel there, which is spread across, viewers, about 500 to 600 meters in totality. Amit, what's the latest that you can get us? The Prime Minister, just a short while back, has come in to assess the ground situation of the crash site. From there, we've been given to believe he's going to come to the civil hospital right here.
Preeti, what we are given to understand is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Ahmedabad at 8:30 a.m. as we were reporting as well, and he directly reached to the crash site. That's what we are given to understand. Accompanying him is Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, as well as Minister of State of Civil Aviation Muralidhar Mohol, along with the state government leadership, including the Chief Minister. So what we are given to understand through our sources last night itself, that a brief was being prepared after midnight, after the rescue operation was completed, and the Air India also confirmed the total deaths in their AI-171 crash, which was, unfortunately, except for one, nobody could survive. So all those numbers had come in. The accident site was completely surveyed by the FSL team, as well as the AAIB team, and the high-level committee which has been formed by the Civil Aviation Ministry will be also taking stock of the situation. So PM Modi would be briefed on the basis of the inputs that has so far come in, a brief that has been prepared on the basis of possibly the ATC's input, the DGCA input, as well as the other authorities who have been working on the ground around the clock ever since that unfortunate and tragic plane crash happened last noon. So that particular brief will be given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Obviously, the brief from the hospital has already come in. The Air India CEO, Campbell Wilson, is also on the ground. Yesterday, remember, Preeti, Campbell Wilson had issued a statement saying that we realize, Air India realizes that there are a lot of questions that needs to be answered, but he does not have answers to those questions at this point in time, and the investigation would take time, and only after that the further detailed responses would be out. But he also needs to brief as to what possibly went wrong in the flight. He must have also spoken already with the Air India's technical team, the expert team, that every aircraft operating agency company has, and those inputs will be given to Prime Minister Modi as well. And we know that on instances of this sort, PM Modi himself, believes to ask a lot of questions, believes in making several questions from the authorities. So possibly the briefing would be done by the experts as well. But what we are given to understand is that after this crash site visit is over, after that brief from the authorities as well as Air India is over, PM Modi would be heading towards the civil hospital where he could meet the families of those who have lost their loved ones who were aboard that flight, as well as the doctors and the nursing staff who were at the BJ Medical College when that crash happened. And remember, the fate had it so that 1.25 lakh liters of fuel was in that flight, and within a minute or two of the takeoff, the pilot had to call a mayday. So that fuel itself gives the kind of intensity and the damage that happened as to why it happened. Because if you have, a highly inflammable fuel at that quantity, because the flight was taking off for an international journey to London.
I'm going to come right back to you.